Hi there, this is the video tutorial on how to use my food inventory checklist bundle. So this bundle contains everything of all of my food inventory spreadsheets. So we've got food inventory, refrigerator inventory, and I'm at the bottom of the tabs. We've got freezer inventory, spices, pantry, and kitchen. So some of these are a little redundant, but I know that there's some people who are looking for this, so I combined them all together in one sheet. So here we go. At the top, there's the favorite store. You can highlight this and change it to another store. If you'd like, your next grocery shopping trip, you double click in there and choose the date, and then there's today's date. Each category, you can change the category if you want. So say if you wanted to call it, I don't know, non-dairy, you can name it that, and then you can uncheck the boxes and then fill out something else. So you can highlight this and type in anything else. And then quantity, you can delete it and put 0, and then we can choose from the drop-down box and put none. Expiration date, you would choose from the drop-down box again and choose the date, or you can just manually highlight the date, delete it, and then put in something else, just like that. Then if each section here has its own contents, and then we have another row here, and then we've got a section for notes and shopping list. So you can print this out as well. Just hit File, Print, and you want to do portrait, and scale is fit to width, and then everything would be on there on your shopping list for you. Or if you wanted to just, print this out and use it on a clipboard and then go around your house and fill it in later, just make sure to uncheck those boxes before you print this out. So each one of the tabs works the same. They just have different categories. So spices, it's not as long as the other ones. We've got one for pantry. It has 9 sections, and then we've got one for kitchen that includes snacks, drinks, condiments, paper and packaging, and refrigerator. So that's how this works. If you found me on YouTube, feel free to click on the link in the description below to purchase the spreadsheet, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.